Hi, LiNa예요. This is LiNa. Tonight I'm going to make a Korean 닭다리 찜. 닭 is chicken, 다리 is a thumbstick, 찜 is braised. So this is a Korean style. Perfect for snowy day like today. Easy comforting meal for to watching Super Bowl. Already, I'm gonna start it. Okay, here you go. So I have a flour, and then I'm gonna add some sea salt. I'm gonna wear my gloves. So I have thumbstick that I bought from market. Firstly, we're gonna clean the chicken. We're gonna use the flour mixed with the sea salt, and we're gonna coat it. This way, you can take off all the blood. Add 2 pieces of ginger and let it boil. With the boil, add the thumbstick and let it cook. Cook about 15 minutes. Our chicken is boiled. Let's make the sauce. So we will need the 4
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
tablespoons of soy sauce. You can get all the ingredients from Asian Mart, deliver, or order online at Amazon. 3 spoons. And then add 2 tablespoons of dark sugar. One, 2, okay. And then we're gonna add cooking wine. You can get all this, order online, Amazon or Asian Mart. Okay. And 1 tablespoon of chopped or minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. One tablespoon of sesame oil. Generous amount of pepper, black pepper. And 3 tablespoons of honey. Bless you. And you can mix them all together. After 15 minutes, take the chicken out. Oops. After 15 minutes, take the chicken out. Oops. Going to pan fry the drumstick a little bit. And then add the sauce you made. add some garlic. And until until you see all the sauce get vibrates. Shimmer till you don't see much sauce left. At the meantime, you need to flip around to make sure they don't stick or burn. So just I'm gonna have some of my favorite drinks. It's a low calorie drinks, my favorite. Cheers.
I guess I never feel the same. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know you don't want me some time, so I'ma run you out many girls, but you're always ignoring them. Thinking of me, you can know that you like me, yeah.
Perfect. And then last minute, I'm gonna add the sliced pepper. So now I use I got this pepper from Korean Mart, so it's a little bit mild, not really super spicy. You can add green pepper with red pepper. If you like really spicy, then you can add some Thai chili. They're really spicy. Ooh, looks really good. So you just the actually sauce become really thick and they glaze all over Drumstick. At this, almost done. Okay, you can turn off the stove fire, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of sesame seeds to garnish with, and it tastes really good. So I'm just gonna let it cool. A last scoop of the sauce on top. There you go, everybody. Wow. Comforting food. What's the bottom of my stove is all baking powder, because I put the baking powder with the vinegar so I can really deep cleanse all my stove. So I'm just gonna put it there. Wow, isn't it great? And my rice cooker. My rice already cooked. Wow. Dinner's ready. And look at the snow. Wow. Let's keep coming. Keep coming. Look at Yugi. Say hi. Ow. Say hi. Where is it? What is it? What is it? You want to talk to mommy? You want to talk to mommy? Where is it? Ooh. Snuggle, snuggle. Ooh. Yugi, where is it? What is it? Okay.